Welcome to my WordPress series where I'll be walking you through exactly how to create a website using WordPress. In this series, we'll be going from scratch, so straight up from before you have WordPress installed onto your domain, all the way down to when you launch your website and it is live on the web and anybody can visit it. So let's go straight into it, as I'll be breaking up each step into different videos so that you can easily digest certain sections within a couple of minutes than to have a whole long 3-hour drawn out video. Let's get right into the first step. So our first lesson will be talking about simply installing WordPress. I'm currently using SiteGround as my hosting provider. It does not matter which hosting provider you're using, the same steps apply. It's just a matter of where certain buttons are located. So from SiteGround's homepage, I want to go to my websites. I can either click the website tab here or select manage. Once I'm on this page, I can see all the domains that I currently have on this account. Now we need to install our WordPress onto a domain in order to build our site. For this, I'm going to be using my demo domain, which is imaginethiswebsite.com, and I'm going to do that by going to Site Tools. If you don't have any domains at all, then you can go ahead and select this button up here that says New Website, and then from here you can select New Domain and search for a domain that you want and register that domain. Or if you already own a domain, whether in SiteGround or something from GoDaddy, you can come over here and select existing domain. Either way, you will end up back on this screen. So from here, just select Site Tools. Now you're in the settings for this domain. So from here to your left, you want to go down to WordPress, Install and Manage, and under Install New WordPress, select this button here. Scroll down and now you can see the setup screen. So the domain that we're using is imaginethiswebsite.com. You want the language to be English, the installation path, leave that alone. This admin info is the information or the admin credentials that you'll be using to log into your WordPress. So when you set this, try to remember it or write it down somewhere. So I'm going to do my username is Chris, and my password, I'm not going to tell you my password. It's not showing good. Alright, so my password is going to be this, and my email, I want to put it at imaginedigitalstore@gmail.com. Right here, you can select to install WordPress Starter, and this will guide you through setting up a web page. But we don't want to do that because then you'll have to go in and clear out a lot of plugins that you probably don't want or even understand what they do. So we are going to be starting with a fresh install of WordPress. So uncheck this, select install. After a couple seconds, you will have installed WordPress onto your domain, and you will be on a screen that looks like this, that lets you know WordPress is installed on imaginethiswebsite.com. Now you have two options. You can go straight to the admin panel, or you can view the site. Let's view the site and see what it looks like right now. So this is the default starter page that you have, but essentially this website is live at imaginethiswebsite.com. We don't want to have this, so let's close this, and then you can select admin panel. Now you are in your admin panel for your website. So this admin URL is imaginethiswebsite.com/wp-admin. So welcome to WordPress. You are now within your admin panel and you have everything opened up to you. You can look to your left and see all the options here. So you have posts, media, pages. We'll get into what each of these do in a little bit, but for now, let's just do a few house cleaning. So let's start with posts. You will see that there's an example post here. You want to go ahead and delete that. Move on to pages. We don't need to have these sample pages either. So you can select the page by clicking the checkbox here. Then under bulk actions, choose move to trash and then apply. We're deleting these pages because we'll be using a template. So once we import our template, the template pages will be created and be added to here. The next thing you want to do is to go down to appearance. Then you can see the template that is currently active. This one is 2024, and you can come over and you can choose a different template that you want to activate, but we'll get to that soon. Under plugins, you want to deactivate these two plugins that you have, so select them. Under bulk actions, go to deactivate, then apply. Then you want to select them again, go under bulk actions, select delete, then apply. Hit OK and they will be deleted. Go to settings, then go to permalinks and make sure that your permalink structure is set to post name. Then under general, go to site title and you want to give your website its title. This will be called, let's just call it Imagine Digital, and you can see the website title has changed up here. You can give it a tagline as well, a really cool website, and you can also add your site icon here. To add your site icon, you need to choose a site icon, and we currently don't have any media files within our media library. So you want to go ahead and upload your site icon. Now that I've uploaded my file into my media library, I can go ahead and click this button down here that says set as site icon, and then I can just select crop image, and there we go. So now I have my site title, my tagline, and my site icon set up. I can scroll down to the bottom and select save changes. Now if I go back to my top left here where you can see my website, and I select visit website and open it in a new tab, you can see that I have my website name, my website tagline, and also my site icon. And that brings us to the end of our very first step in this series, where we are installing WordPress onto our domain. It was very easy to do, and I hope you are able to follow this and be able to do it yourself. In our next video, we will start to install plugins and set up our theme within WordPress. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And I will see you in the next video.